Dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change.
Tell me if you're really there.
Real hot girl shit.
Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Cause I can't get it
Welcome back. So I have my friend with me today, and she's going to be rating all of my fidget toys. So first up, we have the magic puzzle ball. Okay, what do you rate it?
I rate it a 7 out of 10.
DIY Tangle. Okay, what do you rate it?
I rate it a 7 out of 10.
Pop It. Okay, what do you rate it?
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
Fidget Pad.
I give this a 5 out of 10.
Orby Squish Ball.
I give this an 8.5 out of 10.
Next up, we got a slider. What do you rate the slider?
I give this an 8 out of 10.
Marble and Mesh.
I give this a 7.5 out of 10.
Squish Ball.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
Soccer Ball Squishy.
I give this a 9.5 out of 10.
Classic Tangle.
I give this a 8 out of 10.
Two Slinkies.
I give this a 7 out of 10.
Come back for part 2.
All the good girls go to hell.
Part 2 of fidget toy hunting at Target. Okay, so first I found these stress balls and they're color changing. Next, these putties. There's 4 colors and they're so cool. And oh my god, I've been seeing these all over TikTok. They're these like pokey things and they're so cool to play with. And this super pretty blue stress ball. Of course, some putty. And these 3 poop squishies with surprise. And oh my god, these super soft squishies. But there's still a bunch of things that I didn't show, so keep up for part 2. How to make a DIY water snake. You're gonna need water, a bag, paper, and marker colors of your choice. First, take your bag and put some water in it. I recommend putting at least that much water in it, but I like putting like that much. Then set the water bag to the side. And then you're gonna take your piece of paper and color your marker on it. It doesn't matter how many colors you do. You can do as many colors as you want and whatever color you want. I'm doing this blue color and a little bit of this green color. Then take your paper and put it in the bag. Once it's in the bag, seal the bag and just move around the water so it will start being colored. Then once you have this, open your bag and take out the paper. It might be in a few pieces though. Then you're going to want to let all the air out and seal it. Come back for part 2.
It's obvious I wanted to. Bubblegum down my throat and it's a curse, but my love couldn't get any worse. 'Cause I swallowed the bubblegum. 7 years will be pretty done. Pink flowers grow from my skin.
Rating my fidgets on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 is the best, 1 is the worst. First, we have this puzzle ball. Not exactly sure what it's called, so if you guys know, can you please comment down below? I rate this a 10 out of 10 just because it's super easy to solve and really fun. Next, we have my pot tubes. I rate these a 10 out of 10. I love the sound of them. Next, we have monkey noodles. Monkey noodles are a great fidget. I rate them a 7 out of 10 just because I get bored of them. Next, we have pea poppers. I really like pea poppers, but the only thing is they don't keep my attention very long, so I would rate them a 6 out of 10. Bike chains are really fun. The only thing is it's really hard to use at first, but once you get the hang of it, they're super fun. I rate them a 6 out of 10 because they do get stuck and twisted. Like this. Fidget toy edition. Put a finger down if you have a poppet. Put a finger down if you have a simple dimple. Put a finger down if you have a tangle. Put a finger down if you have stress balls. Put a finger down if you have mochis. Put a finger down if you have some type of snake. Put a finger down if you have an ASMR bar or a pod. Put a finger down if you have a fidget spinner. Put a finger down if you have a fidget cube. And lastly, put a finger down if you have slime or putty.
We got new fidgets, and we're gonna unbox them for you guys. Starting with mini Squishmallows collectibles. Let's open them. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I got this one, and she got that one. Next up, finger spinners. It's so fun. Next up, these. I don't even know what these are. They're actually kind of cool.
And they're keychains. And now these squishies, the Fat Santa and the pizza. Oh my god, they're so good.
And now this huge snake. It's so jiggly and squishy. This was everything that we got from Five Below. Now stay tuned for part 2 to see what we got at Dollar
Sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And if you don't let me fidget, then I'll be really mad at you.
Today's fidget toy feature. Today I have this little sensory kit. It has a little keychain on the side that can easily open and close. And you can even use that as a fidget itself. Or you can just open it and put a couple keychains on it, if it's a fidget or not. And accessorize it. It may not look the best, but it's just a sensory kit. If you open it, you can find 2 different little, bottle things with toys in them. The first one is this little Orby thing. Then the next one is this little yellow cracky thing. You can easily switch them out with 2 different things. When you're done using these, put the other ones back in. And it's not big and bulky and noticeable.
I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Go ahead. You get what you please. We about to get it.
Please
fucking. You see me empty, license from the bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking.
Fidget toy check. Show me your favorite fidget, your favorite DIY fidget, your least favorite fidget, a texture fidget, your biggest fidget, your smallest fidget, a fidget you think everyone has, something that's not really a fidget but you would consider it one, your loudest fidget, your quietest fidget, a fidget from your fidget board, a fidget you don't think anyone has, a stretchy fidget, a funny looking fidget, a DIY fidget you made a tutorial on, a fidget you recommend, a fidget you think your followers should try to make, a fidget you have a lot of, a red fidget, an orange fidget, a yellow fidget, a green fidget, blue fidget, a purple fidget, a pink fidget, a rainbow fidget, fidget with two colors, and your favorite emoji.
So I'm gonna be doing a fidget haul. So let's get started. Save the simple dimples for last. First, we're gonna do all the Neato. A cute cat Neato, this Neato, a color changing Neato. Let's unbox them. First, let's do the cat. Here it is, and it feels so nice. Next, I'm gonna do the color changing one. Let's unbox it. This one feels so good, and it's color changing. Next, this Neato. This feels so nice. It's like a spiky Neato. It feels so good. Next, I got two snappers, pink and purple. Next, I got this snowball. The snowball feels really nice. There's glitter in it. So